Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'm going to show you how to write effective product descriptions for your Shopify store using ChatGPT. Let's get right into it. Product descriptions are key to convincing shoppers to buy your products. They explain what your product is, why it's valuable, and how it solves a problem for your customer. When you use ChatGPT, be specific about your product type, target audience, and the tone you want. For example, you can say, write a friendly and detailed product description for a handmade leather wallet designed for men who value style and durability. ChatGPT will generate a clear and engaging description, highlighting the features and benefits. Make sure to review and tweak the description to match your brand's voice. You can add details like dimensions, materials, or care instructions to help customers make informed decisions. Also, include keywords naturally to improve your Shopify store's SEO, so your products show up in search results. You can ask ChatGPT to suggest relevant keywords based on your product as well. And that is it. Now you've learned how to create product descriptions for Shopify stores quickly and professionally with ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.